one. You got a big one. It's a macro. I think so. Please, Bubba, please.
Ooh, this guy is hard.
This guy is a big one.
Halibut.
Ooh.
Oh, I'm gonna get it. Oh.
Wow, wow, wow.
I told you. Oh,
Oh my goodness.
Oh, Bubba. Yay.
Hold on, guys.
Please help.
I guess both of our rods are catching fish.
Oh, shoot.
Oh!
Oh. I got the high help.
Oh
Oh my gosh.
I don't know what I caught, but it's... Whoa!
Oh, sandbags.
It's a whitefish or...
White sea bass. This guy's
Oh,
on shore.
victory! Oh yeah!
White salmon.
Victory!
Bring it in before it... No.
No, that's
Hold on, let me take a picture with it before you drop it.
I gotta let it go.
Huh?
Those things are very
Oh,
delicate.
it fell.
They have to be 28 inches. So he was
Oh,
getting
Bubba.
bit a lot.
Okay, this one parts up cash with this guy.
Oh,
You don't see him.
Yedini bir sehayşinçi gereftim. Okay, in the garden måste jag.
Stop moving around. Put it on the ground.
Ooh, this is a big one.
Let's see what is this.
Oh, it's the same one. How do you know?
I hope
I
not.
won't be surprised.
I think so.
That's a big calico.
Aww.
Whoa! Hallelujah! We are catching. Hold on.
It's a milkfish.
That has spikes, seriously.
What's that? Parsa, say something. Hello. Hi. Okay. You gotta let it go, I guess, huh?
Yeah, I think so. I'll double check.
You're catching it good.
So the one was white sea bass,
White sea bass.
and they are not keepers, huh?
They have to be 28 inches. Yeah, because they get huge. They can get like up to 70 pounds.
Oh my goodness. That was the biggest one I ever caught in my life. It was a big fight.
Yeah. A huge tank.